This is a 2022 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited, one of Harley's premier touring bikes. The color of this like new 2022 Ultra Limited is Midnight Crimson Red and Vivid Black with a black factory finish. Up close it looks like a dark maroon, and the two-tone black just really sets it off, and then top all that off with the black factory finish. Just a great looking color combination. It's another very low mileage touring bike. Has 2,572 original miles on it. It does have a fresh service on it, so all the fluids are good. It's just an excellent touring bike. Being the 22 model, it comes equipped with a 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine. So you have plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque. Nice, big, comfortable seat for you and your passenger. Wrap-around backrest. Speakers. Has a security system with the key fob and the extra keys. Nice, big 6-gallon tank. So you have a lot of range with this bike. Of course, cruise control. ABS brakes, traction control. Comes equipped with the GTS boom stereo system, which has AM, FM, weather band, Bluetooth, navigation, GPS. There's a little compartment right here. You can put your phone or iPod in there, and it will charge it and then integrate all your music into the system, or you can Bluetooth it in and control it either with the hand controls or the color touchscreen. Nice heated grips, which come in this real handy this time of year. Nice big saddlebags, big TourPak, all blacked out. There's no chrome on this beauty. There's a 12-volt power point in the trunk, and also up on the fairing in the front, so you can charge all your devices. LED lights on the TourPak, LED headlight, driving lights in the front, so you have a lot of visibility with this bike. Makes it easy for folks to see you coming or stop. Six-speed transmission. I really like the way they set up the two-tone paint scheme on this bike. The vivid black really contrasts well with the midnight crimson red, and then the black finish. Nice black Harley wheels. Now this bike is stock. There's nothing been done to it. So it's ready for you to customize to your own liking, or just leave it alone and ride the tires off of it. Now, if you're in the market for a new touring bike for the up-and-coming riding season, got some big trips planned, this is the bike for you. This bike is set up for the highway. Great color, super low mileage, fresh service. Don't get stuck paying MSRP or more, or the surcharges. Don't get stuck paying all the dock fees and prep fees and setup fees and all that other hooey. Give Will a call at Dream Cycles USA for an out-the-door price. It can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com.